Please welcome to the stage Mplify Principal Analyst Stan Hubbard.
Thank you. All right, is everybody excited? Did that video wake everyone up? All right, so super excited to be here today, and really was glad to see a lot of your familiar faces yesterday during our press conference and other meetings. And we're just really excited with the transformation that's taking place in the industry. And so I don't want to get it. I don't want to slow things down here because everything's moving so fast. We got to keep up. We got to keep the pace up. But I do want to say right out from the start, thank you so much for the sponsors. Many of the sponsors have been with us for a decade. And we do want to say thanks for everybody that's making this event possible, starting with AT&T and Lumen as the diamond sponsors. But everyone here is really key to making this event successful. And of course, the industry analysts and the press are also very important for this event to take place. And we thank you for the industry analysts who are moderating and helping us with our agenda. So this is just a brief glance at the agenda. I did want to mention that we have the networking lunch with the innovation stations, sponsor meeting rooms and tables. So make sure that you take full advantage of the opportunity to network with the industry leaders here at this event. And then we'll have breakout sessions after the full conference where we do some deep dives on some very interesting topics, including certification and NAS and AI. And then, of course, we have the happy hour and the Excellence Awards dinner tonight. We do want to celebrate the innovation that's taking place. One of the things about this year's awards programs is we had the highest level of participation in a single industry award in the history of the organization, and that was for the NAS Service Providers of the Year. And so we're really excited to recognize the winners there in that category and the others. I do want to also tell you what the time of the dinner is. There is an ending. We're not quite sure what it is, but it starts there, 7. Lori, not sure. But we had a lot of news yesterday from sponsoring companies as well as Mplify. And during yesterday, we did announce that Nan Chen, our founder, is retiring and becoming the chairman emeritus for Mplify. And we have appointed Daniele Mancuso and Frank Morales as co-CEOs. Frank and Daniele will be joining Devika here in a moment to have a chat about where they see the Mplify organization going and where the industry is going. We had a press release yesterday also redefining the Carrier Ethernet certification for the AI era. We're introducing a Carrier Ethernet for AI profile for the certification program that is already being well received. Daniel Barlev had talked about the growth that we have with the certification program, how it's just exploding now on the Ethernet front, and we're excited to continue that momentum. Enterprise leaders call for industry-wide adoption of the Mplify LSO APIs. Sunil's been leading the ELC effort for us and helping drive the discussion around the LSO APIs within the enterprise space, and we're excited to have that support as we extend that automation out to the enterprise user. Mplify also has a GSMA press release where we talk about our partnership and how we're moving the industry forward there. And of course, the last one here is we introduced a new market brief. I worked on that market brief, and Pascal, our CTO, contributed a lot to that effort, and you'll be hearing about his views on the NAS for AI this morning. So you can download the market brief at NAS for AI at the Mplify site. Just go to that URL. And I do want to remind everybody, if you're not using the app, you can download the app. Just take a scan of that if you need it up there for a second.